How to order from Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now from here you can select any of the item to order, or in the case you cannot find over here, at the very top you're gonna see the search box. Over there you can type in the name of the item and then search for it. Once item appears, just click on it. Now you can go ahead and add the item to the cart. Go ahead and click on the option of view cart. You're gonna find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now you can go ahead and check out. Click on the option of continue to check out. Now in the next page, you will need to provide your shipping address. Likewise, select the payment method. If you have promo code, you can apply it as well. And after you fill up all the details, you can confirm your order. With that, your order will be placed. So this is how you can easily order from Walmart app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.